Yeah.
Hurry up!
Just do it. What are they gonna do?
Oh, shit.
Question.
You got it?
Did you get him?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Whenever you're ready.
Just gonna screen record all of them right there.
Mm-hmm.
You good?
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
This guy in the orange.
The fucking orange M&M was all pissed off.
Yeah, dude. He's still looking at us. Go, 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 go.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
She ain't gonna hit it very hard.
Little girl's like, what the f? God.
Did you get him?
Yeah. Go.
Oh, shit. She jumped so bad.
Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Shit.
Yeah.
Shit, what the fuck happened?
No, just keep going.
What happened?
This thing, I didn't get it recorded. Like literally right.
Good job.
God.
I'm gonna turn first.
You gotta turn first.
Damn.
You get the chick right here, right?
He ain't that bad looking.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, go. That's epic. Yeah.
Oh, that was good.
Dude, what the fuck?
Yeah.
You got it?
Laser, the only laser that maintains the cornea and provides better night vision.
Nice.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. One of them jumped. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Aww. He shakes his head down.
Who did he say?
He pointed at us. Hold on, slow down, slow down.
Oh my god.
I can't hear you! Say again! What? Thank you, we know! Yeah. I'll be waiting for that day, thank you. Yeah, you too.